Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO. Today I'm proud to be showcasing unit number 9. This is a top floor loft property, crow's nest I should say, in the 6th Avenue here in Oakland. We're walking first into the bedroom slash living room area. Again, this is a attic. This is a converted attic. Probably from long ago. You can see the interesting, unique contours of the ceiling here that matches the roof. Just a beautiful property. Please look at the video that we have just of the surrounding, the building itself. Notice these are all window treatments. We also have some double pane windows, which if you watch my other videos, you really appreciate if in a loud environment. But here, since you're on the top floor, it's really super fine. So, toilet, vanity. That is a medicine cabinet. Have you take a look at that? Here you go. Good for storage. And then you have shelf space in the shower here, which makes it even more convenient when you're living in spaces like this. Big kitchen, holy cow. Big sink. Lots of cabinetry space. Again, lots of light coming in here as well. Window treatment. These are all double pane windows and window treatments, as well as lots of cabinets, gas range, full size. So big refrigerator and range there. So if you're interested in this property, again, this is 6th Avenue in Oakland. Give us a call. We're showing, and this is March of 2021. All right, cheers, bye-bye.